Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice about buying cars. Charlie and his brilliant wife have traded foggy London for beautiful sunny California, and they realize that unfortunately America's public transportation system isn't quite up to snuff. They're looking for something safe, reliable, practical, and importantly, low maintenance. With a budget of $35,000, what car should they buy? Chuck. Congrats for joining the good guys. You're not going to be sorry. And now that you're in America, you're going to need an American car. And nothing does that better and checks all of your boxes than a Ford Maverick. It also helps that it shares a name with the sickest movie of the past 20 years, but that's just me. This little truck is exactly what you're looking for, and unfortunately, you're really going to have to look. You see, we in America have a lot of smart people, and they all want Mavericks too. It's gonna be a bit of a process to find a Maverick at or around MSRP. Lots of people want these cars, and that means that a lot of people are willing to pay more. What you gotta do is find yourself a dealer that isn't gonna charge over MSRP and run with that. I believe in you. If anyone can find a Maverick close to or at MSRP, it's gonna be you. And trust me, it'll absolutely be worth it. I mean, the Maverick Hybrid has everything you're looking for, chiefly a hybrid system that's gonna get you 40 miles per gallon. But it's also incredibly safe, new, and has a bed to throw all your junk in it. And it can handle the occasional fire road. On top of that, it's seriously cheap. It starts at under $25,000, and even fairly well-optioned hybrid models aren't gonna break your budget. The only catch here is that you're gonna have to find one. But again, Chuck, Charles, Charlie, I believe in you. For more car buying advice, check out Jalopnik.com.